question is, if a client, if you're working in a job in sales, and a client reaches out to the company,
yeah,
which is an inbound
lead, not outbound.
Is that your lead as the salesperson, and you get full commission on it, or does the company decide what happens with that lead? Now, from my experience, the company decides what happens.
Yeah.
Because you can end up getting full commission on it if the company decides.
Yeah, it really depends.
It depends on the company. If they give you the
But
lead,
I think the salesman needs to be honest where it came from.
So that was the major problem, right? So if you're lying that where you're getting the lead from, then
agreed. I think you need to be clear. Like if you're running a sales team, you need to be very clear. When anything comes to money, everybody gets emotional, and that's where problems start in general, right? When there was a misunderstanding about how much somebody was meant to get paid, etc. So if you're running a sales team, make sure that you define what someone's commission is on outbound leads, so that sales guy gets the lead, and what happens when it's an inbound lead to avoid any confusion and drama.
And what if it's an inbound lead, but they close it?
Yeah, so I think it's an inbound lead and they close it. There's obviously like an inbound lead comes in doesn't mean it's closed. So you can say, okay, you make a percentage of that, like a commission, but it's not the full commission because you need to incentivize people to be going out. An inbound lead is either because they've seen your product, or they've seen an advertisement, which you're probably fucking paying for one way or another, whether it's with your time or your reputation, which has value, obviously.